The 8 most reliable SUVs of 2025, according to Consumer Reports. Picture dropping tens of thousands on an SUV that's a constant headache in the shop, or one so tough it sails beyond 250,000 miles without breaking a sweat. Buckle up for the shocker from Consumer Reports' 2025 rankings. Kia quietly overtook Toyota as the most reliable 3-row SUV, while Subaru dethroned luxury icons like Lexus to seize the top brand crown. We're unveiling the 8 standout SUVs that crush it in efficiency, safety, and unbreakable reliability. From versatile family rigs to game-changing hybrids. But which budget-friendly beast grabs the #1 spot and could save you a fortune on repairs? Don't click away. This list is your ticket to smarter buying. Hey there, gearheads. Welcome back to the channel where we slice through the noise and deliver unfiltered truths. Today, we're dissecting the 8 most reliable SUVs for 2025, drawn straight from Consumer Reports' epic survey of over 300,000 real owners. Subaru stole the show with the highest brand reliability score at 68 out of 100, edging out Lexus at 65 and Toyota at 62, with Honda and Acura hot on their heels. These champs are mostly battle-tested Japanese and Korean crossovers. Subaru's symmetrical AWD has dominated rough roads since the 1970s. Toyota kicked off the hybrid revolution with the Prius in the 90s. Honda's engines are famed for eternal life, and Kia's risen from budget contender to reliability powerhouse in just 20 years. In an era of 1,200+ repair bills and gas prices nudging $4 a gallon, these 2025 updates, tweaks to proven designs, offer hassle-free ownership without the premium price tag. If you're karting kids, exploring trails, or just want to skip the mechanic drama, you're in the right place. Let's jump in. Number 8. The Honda Pilot. A rugged 3-row powerhouse with sleek LED lights, a commanding grille, and a whopping 87 cubic feet of cargo when folded flat. Its 3.5-liter V6 delivers 285 horsepower, tows up to 5,000 pounds, and owners rave about racking up 300,000 miles on basic upkeep alone. Honda Sensing Safety earns perfect crash scores, but it's gas only for now, averaging 20 to 22 miles per gallon real world. Efficient for its size, though hybrids edge it out. Number 7. Acura RDX, boasting jewel-eye LEDs, a pentagon grille, and a punchy 272 horsepower turbo engine. Super handling AWD grips like a sports car, with a plush, quiet cabin and 23 to 25 miles per gallon. Reliability shines in electronics, but the rear seat's compact and the touchpad infotainment can frustrate. Number 6. Mazda CX-5. Turning heads with soul-red curves, premium interiors, and the zippiest handling here. Turbo variants sprint 0 to 60 in 6.2 seconds. It scores 26 to 28 miles per gallon, IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus status, and solid resale value. Downsides? Tight rear legroom and some wind noise at highway speeds. Number 5. Lexus NX Hybrid. With its bold spindle grille, luxurious leather, and impressive 35 to 38 miles per gallon in daily driving. Backed by a 10-year battery warranty, it's serene and enduring, ideal for upscale reliability, though cargo space is modest and acceleration leisurely. Number 4. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Seating 8 with 35 miles per gallon in a 3-row setup and Toyota safety sense everywhere. It's a efficiency champ with proven longevity, but the 3rd row squeezes adults, and Kia just pipped it for 3-row reliability honors this year. Number 3. Honda CR-V Hybrid, offering cavernous space, 35 miles per gallon, and flawless battery records. Honda Sensing handles traffic effortlessly. The main quibble is mild road noise on long hauls. Number 2. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, hitting 35 to 37 miles per gallon tested, with electric AWD and unbeatable resale. Owners clock 300,000 miles like clockwork. Despite a firm ride and subtle CVT whine, it's the go-to safe bet. And number 1. Subaru Forester. Revamped for 2025 with a quieter ride, standard symmetrical AWD that conquers snow, near-autonomous eyesight safety, and a forthcoming hybrid aiming for 33+ mpg. Priced under $28,000 with CR's top predicted reliability this decade. Simple interior and relaxed pace, but utterly indestructible. Here's the mind blower. Sifting through thousands of breakdowns, costly fixes, and real-world complaints, the Subaru Forester didn't just win, it dominated, outpacing Lexus, Toyota, and all the high-end rivals. This unassuming, boxy hero redefined dependability, proving affordability and toughness can trump luxury. The real win? Skipping those $1,200 repair hits while enjoying peace of mind. Boring on paper, brilliant on the road. So, your 2025 reliability guide, backed by the data. 1. Subaru Forester, ultimate longevity champ for snow lovers, families, and no-fuss drivers. 2. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, resale superstar and the ultimate safe pick. 3. Honda CR-V Hybrid, spacious, fuel-sipping, everyday winner. 4. Toyota Highlander Hybrid, family hauling efficiency king, edged only in 3 rows. 5. Lexus NX Hybrid, luxury that lasts with premium perks. 6. Mazda CX-5, fun-to-drive standout with upscale vibes. 7. Acura RDX, sporty luxury crossover with solid tech. 8. Honda Pilot, tough, versatile 3-row workhorse. Bottom line for 2025, Japanese hybrids reign supreme for savings and stamina, with Kia's 3-row triumph signaling Korea's staying power, and Subaru's upset showing reliability trumps flash. Which team's yours? Forester faithful, RAV4 devotee, CR-V crew, or Kia upstart? Spill your mileage tales and repair hacks in the comments. Gems get pinned. Smash like if this saves your wallet. Subscribe and hit the bell to dodge duds, and join next week for the flops to flee. Drive wise. See you soon.